city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Number 14, you have won the oldest car, a Chevy. 1927. All right, the next one, number 27, Dick Airy. For honorable mention, and the honorable mention is the Veterans Award. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay. Thank you. Number 12, traveled the furthest. Steven, and he had traveled 73 miles. He's got the oldest car, Kaylie. Thank you.
Here, can I take your guys' picture?
Picture? You gonna take a picture real quick?
Okay.
Yep. Thank you. You gonna take a picture real quick? The best tractor and the only tractor we had, number 24, John Hardwood. It's a John Deere and it's a 1936. It's heavy. Alright, you guys want to take a quick picture? Okay. Thank you. Best in Show. This actually has quite a bit of big meaning about it. He's been a good friend of our families and appreciate him a lot. Austin and Amy Crawford, Best in Show.
Hey.
You want to carry it over there? I can carry it over there. It doesn't matter.
You want to carry it over there?
Yeah, I'll carry it over there.
That's good.
All right, I'll carry you. Thank you. For the toughest truck, number 32, Calvin. A 72 C10 Chevy. Okay, the next one, Best Interior, Bob. He's got the Chevy Camaro. It's a 1968, number 2.
Take that. Get Bob's picture. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
You know her? She's your family?
Kinda good family.
Good job,
All
Bob.
right, and the kids' choice, we have number 19, Dennis and Sue, with the Chevy 2 Nova, 1965.
That sounds good.
There you go. Thank you. Can we get a picture? Alright, we only had one motorcycle today. Number 7, EJ, a Honda Interstate, year 2013. And he's got the best motorcycle.
You gonna put that in the trunk or you gonna have to put it in the van? That baby's heavy. Yeah, it looks like it. There he is.
Gotta hold it, it's pretty light. It's not that heavy. There you go. You wanna get a quick picture?
Here you go. Look at me. Ready? All right.
Thank you guys for coming out. And last but not least, Best in Paint, Jim. Number 20, Chevy, a 1962.
Where'd she go?
Hey, Calvin, why don't you come up here and get your award?